In this video, I'll talk about how long it takes to close your order on eToro. Now, if the market is opened and you want to close your order, this will be done instantly. So buy and sell market orders are executed in real time. That means as soon as you click on open trade or you close the trade, it will be done instantly. Now, however, if you're outside of the market times, there is something called pending close. And this means if you want to close your position when the market is not opened, like during weekends or market breaks, then it will make an automatically pending close position, which means as soon as the market opens, it's going to close your position. So if you want to do it while the market is open, it will be closed immediately. And if you do it while the market is not open, it will wait until it opens and then it will close immediately. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.